Good afternoon, this is Paul coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. And today we're looking at a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan RT package, sporty package with cool wheels. This is an awesome vehicle, leather interior. It's got a power transfer seat on the passenger side and a third row flip and fold seat as well. So you can fit up to 6 people in this vehicle if you had the wheelchair occupant maintain in the middle row. And then you got a bucket seat on the left side, 2 in the front, and then a flip and fold seat in the back holds 2 people. So the passenger could transfer into the front passenger seat, or if they stay in the wheelchair, then you could fit 6 people. So you have versatile seating options with this awesome vehicle. I'm going to show you how to enter from the back, and then you got to just have to pull on a lever here to pull the seat down, like so. So it folds down and it folds back up very easily. All right, now the power transfer seat I've already got pulled back here, and I've got the passenger seat opened, or the passenger side door opened to allow for pivoting. When you pivot this vehicle, you should have the door open to allow for the full range of motion. Now from your wheelchair here, you simply got to pull up next to the power transfer seat and just pull yourself up and just scoot over. Pretty simple. Just scoot right over. Easy peasy. Real simple. This is a real nice vehicle. Power entry, power rear entry. So you got the button here once you're inside. Now there's an easy lock system which you can lock your wheelchair really easily into place without having to fuss with the straps and everything. So we gotta throw them in the inside. You hit the button here. Raise it back up like so. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to pivot back over here. You got your pivot buttons. So you pivot and you hit the travel button and go forward, just like that. Super simple. Again, this is Paul coming to you, Freedom Motors USA. We're in Battle Creek, Michigan. This is just one of hundreds of vehicles that we have in stock. We have a huge factory here where we convert new and used vehicles, and we have a huge selection of kinds of we do conversions like this on Toyota Siennas and Chrysler Pacificas, Dodge Grand Caravans. Pretty simple. And if you want to get out, just transfer back over. Just transfer back over to the seat here. Just like that. Super simple. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, we have a huge selection here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Just go to our website, freedommotors.com. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335 if you're in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle. We've got Suburbans, Tahoes, Chevy Silverados, just like that. Super easy. Please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335 if you are in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle. Check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com. This one here has got 2 moats. One of them opens the back. So we also offer a power transfer side seat for on the driver's side. So instead of having the bucket seat here, you could have the bucket seat over here and have this transfer seat on the driver's side instead, so you could transfer from your wheelchair into the driver's seat and take off and drive the vehicle right from your wheelchair. That is an option. Wheels down. Now I've been told that if you focus on a point on the dash, it makes it a lot easier reversing out of one of these wheelchair accessible vehicles with the ramps. Beautiful, just like that, super easy. If you are in the market for a wheelchair vehicle, we've got hundreds of them in stock. This is just one of many. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Please hit the subscribe button on our YouTube page and have yourself an awesome day. Thank you so much.